Hello everybody, I am Professor Moumita Chatterjee, Assistant Professor, School of Management, Adamas University. As a human resource management teacher, the basic message that I am willing to share with all of you that the Indian economy is going through a major slowdown from multiple directions and companies are forced to take decisions in order to survive in the challenging circumstances as coronavirus disease, which is known as COVID-19, brings a busy workforce standstill from the end of March 2020. COVID-19 has resulted in an inevitable global slowdown, frustrating business, investors, supply chain, and human resource functions. This outbreak has presented new roadblocks for the Indian workforce as job losses and salary cuts are likely in the high-risk service sectors such as airlines, tourism, shopping malls, multiplexed restaurant retailers, etc., which are seeing a sharp fall in demand due to lockdown across the country. As companies are not meeting the revenue targets, the employers may think of downsizing the workforce. India's trade impact due to COVID-19 outbreak have been affected most as a result of manufacturing slowdown in China, which is disrupting the world trade, especially for the chemical sector, textile, the apparel, automotive sector, etc. Indian businesses are also facing reduced cash flows to slow down economic activity, which is having an impact on the all payment, including those for employees, interest, loan, payment, and taxes. Organizations have brought in a renewed focus on hygiene aspects concerning the pandemic, and for some of the sectors, work from home proposition is posing implementation challenge because it has a direct bearing on the business operations for the manufacturing units where workers are required to be physically present in the production sites, and service sectors such as banking, IT sectors, etc., where a lot of confidential data is used and remote working can enhance the security threats. Therefore, companies are operating in these sectors are finding it very much difficult to implement work from home facilities without compromising their day-to-day operations. Coronavirus pandemic is wreaking more chaos than usual, and in this situation, human resource leaders play a major role to help the employees to manage the crisis and to keep their things operational. The Human Resource Department now has a new responsibility to drive business continuity by helping employees to feel comfortable and safe while ensuring that the work continues as usual speed. This is an ideal opportunity for the brands to showcase their care for the employees and to boost team loyalty. As the first step, most businesses around the world have now made it mandatory for the employees to work from home. They have also issued a temporary ban of all business travel and face-to-face meeting with clients and customers. A combination of various event-related issues along with Human Resource Information System, which we termed as HRIS, will create the ability to track over the time the status of the workforce. Despite the fear and mental stress that we all are having in the surrounding the coronavirus outbreak, businesses around the world have now recognized that work can be done very easily from home as at the office through various platforms such as Skype, Zoom, etc., which saves times and other resources. In this current environment, an employee-centric approach is very crucial for the brands to maintain employee trust and keep business to go as well. The Human Resource Department needs to provide much more focus or consistent support to the employees to make trust, and keep the business going as usual. The human resource department needs to provide consistent support by the employees to facilitate work from home, though appropriate technology and regular employee motivation is required. In the class, we teach what is employee motivation, what is employee loyalty, what is job satisfaction. An organization cannot operate for the longer period of time without having employee loyalty, commitment, and employee satisfaction. What is employee satisfaction? The level of contentment a person receives by performing the job, and everything is coming from employee empowerment. As a human resource management teacher, my dear students, definitely we will overcome the situation. We shall overcome. India will definitely overcome these present circumstances, and we can survive our life. What we can do for our environment, we do. So that's why I must conclude that surely we can overcome the situation very soon. Thank you.